Hey, my beautiful family. I just wanted to pop on here really quick to show you guys my new dishwasher. If I had not showed you, it's just I've been sick and it's just been so much going on. It's a whirlpool and you just open it up. I mean, just like a normal dishwasher. You got the bottom part here, the compartment where, let's see, pop it open, put your dish washing detergent or pouch or whatever it is that you use to wash your dishes. I usually hand wash my dishes a lot. I know you guys have seen dishwater liquid in the dish water in the sink and stuff, because I normally hand wash my dishes 80% of the time. But there are times when I do have the luxury, if I do want to put them in a dishwasher here. And I just wanted to show you guys my brand new dishwasher here. I mean, nothing fancy or nothing like that. Pretty much you know how dishwasher works. It's got a lot of room, I will say that, a lot of room. And this part here, I put it sideways because it gives me more room to lay my dishes. I mean, I can also put it in the front like this, but I like it this way. So I do have an option. I can put it this way or I can lay it in the front. I like it this way because it gives me more options and stuff like that. But this is the new dishwasher, gang. I just thought I'll show y'all. Nothing biggie. Couple of buttons here, heavy, normal, the time of how long you want it on, and the light comes on, and then you put it on start, cancel, and yeah, all that good jazz. Y'all know I don't have my counters full of stuff, but I just got this a little Bluetooth thing here in the mail delivered today, and I had it charging, and as you can see, the blue light is on, which means it is now fully charged. And of course I am a Amazon Prime member. Yeah, that's what I am an Amazon Prime member. Anywho, it came in this cute little packet here, and then it just came with a little card for instructions on how the Bluetooth work. It came with some extra bulbs and stuff and some more instructions in there. But pretty much if you know how, and it just came with some plastic to, pretty much if you know how to pair up a Bluetooth, it's ain't nothing to it but to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of that, and this is my cord to my charger. It also came with a USB cord, which is what I have plugged in there, charging that and that. So basically I just wanted to show y'all the my new dishwasher. If I hadn't showed you, it's not the same as the microwave and the stove, but it is the same brand, Whirlpool. It's more of a whiter, and my stove and microwave is more of a vanilla bean color. It comes off on camera that it looks white, but it's actually a vanilla bean color.